I'm sharing with you the 4 Canva AI tools that I can't live without. First off, we have text to image AI. So you're going to open any size file. I'm just going to create a letter size portrait right here. Now that I have that open, now I can access on the left the Magic Media. So if I hit Magic Media, I have up here, it says images, graphics, videos. I can type in any words that are going to help me describe something that's going to help all my content stay on brand rather than searching for stock photos that might have those right colors or might have the right content. This is a quick way to create those. And that's why I love it. I love creating images for presentations, images for your social media, for blog posts, and then graphics for also presentations, social media, and everything like that. I can also change the format that I want. So here I change it to portrait. So since I have a longer format here, then I'm just going to generate images. Okay, so I have some options here. And once I click on them, you can see that it's automatically going to get added to my upload folder. You can see it uploading right there. If I click on uploads, you'll see that I have it here. Now, if you go to these 3 dots, if it's a photo that you really like and you want to use it again and again, make sure you move it to your stock photo folder. You can say move to folder, stock photos, create, or you can create a new folder and then it'll get moved there. Number 2 in my favorite Canva AI tools is the background remover. I'm going to add a photo of myself here, and then I'm just going to remove the background, come up here to BG remover, and that'll remove the background. That way I can easily change to my brand colors. I'm going to come here, choose one of my brand colors, put that in the back. And now that's just a nice way to get rid of all of that extra in your photos and be able to have room for it. Next up in my favorite Canva AI tools is the Magic Resize. This is a great way to repurpose your content. So maybe this was a post that I created for social media, and now I want to use it as a Pinterest post. Let me show you how to easily do that. So come up here to Resize, and then I am going to just type in Pinterest, and now I'll see Pinterest pin, hit on that, and then I want to copy this because I don't want to save over the top of that social media post that I already created. I'm going to copy and resize it. This is changing it into that Pinterest size. And now I can open up that Pinterest pin and use that for Pinterest. And you might have to make a few changes, move things around a little bit just so it fits the format right. But it is a very fast way rather than having to type everything in, bring all your photos in. Definitely, I am using Resize all the time. And number 4 of my favorite Canva AI tools that I can't live without is the ability to copy a style and use it throughout your whole design. And let me show you what I mean. I'm going to come and find a template that I want to use, and then I'm going to easily create it so it looks on brand for me. Here we go. I'm just going to click on this one and add that there. I'm going to add another page and add a different one. So I want to show you how easy it is to have all of these look on brand for you. I'm going to come up here to this font because this is one of my brand fonts. And I'm going to come up here to this copy style. And now that style is copied. And then I'm just going to click there. And that changes the font to my brand font. I'm going to click that roller again and then click on this. And also, if you come up here to styles, these are my brand fonts. You can click on that and they all get added into this document. Let's add one more just to show you. And now with my font colors right here, I can rotate through those and find something that looks on brand, and I can just make a few changes. I can swap out this photo with any of those AI generated photos that I've created, or go into my stock photos and other photos that are available on Canva. So everything is available right at your fingertips. Keep it simple, learn little new steps as you go, and eventually you're going to add this to your repertoire of what you're able to create with Canva and for your business. All right, we'll see you next time.